Hi guys, today I will be complete Umaga Tower. This is our goal today. So yeah, I'm first Roblox new Roblox creator. So maybe you guys can be at my channel. Okay, let's get this. Okay. Ano guys, especially when I'm on mobile. Kung siapa I don't take that because the harder on this. Okay. I'm long way, so you'll probably just account. Won't let me. There's no flowers. By the way, this game is called Umaga Tower. Umaga. Okay. Oh.
Di ba udah siya magawas? Ito, ito sa
Sebaga
gas.
tak mampu.
Oh, hebat ah. No? Green.
Ang tinuro sa mapa guys, ay kalsada na yan. Pero tinignan natin, nagsulang na yan. So dito sa unahan, mayroong ano dito, mayroong daan. Ayan o. Dito tayo dadaan. Papunta doon sa ano, Lake Apo. Doon sa kabila dadaan guys. Kaya medyo mas maganda itong daan dito compared doon. Alial, Dagumbaan, Maramag, Bukidnon. Start na pala ito ng Maramag, itong Dagumbaan.
Let's just come out.
Doon pala yung Santo Niño. Yung spring resort ng Santo Niño.
Okay, so it's this one.
So,
Naligo niya ang tabalay.
Maybe take a big mistake there.
yung ruta natin ngayon. Upload na ako palang upload dito guys.
Ano ang tumikiat?
Pero ayos naman yung pagka-upload niya. Pasabot sa lahat ng mga sasakyan. Construction
It's not in front of
construction of bridge along Barangay Panan Salan, Barangay Dagumbaan Road.
My shoes. I'm so scared, guys.
Construction of Barangay Panan Salan, Dagumbaan,
Damage.
para magbukidnon. Montes Club Enterprise Incorporated. So,
What is this
may
one?
construction dito. Dito banda. Siguro okay na yung daan.
This game.
Muna dito. Yung part lang doon siguro yung mahirap. Malawak na dito. Maganda naman dito.
What's this one?
Muna dito. Yung part lang doon siguro yung mahirap.
I made it. Feels so good to be victory.
Be! Nagdira na! Nagdira na! Ito.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching and hope you support. Support my channel. Please, wala.
Siya? Kung ko sa iro, bahala. Nagpagkabasa yung sulan. Ako ganyan lang. Dali, isang sulod.
Yeah, by the way, guys, thank you for watching the video and hope you blew up my channel. I was my channel before and hope you can follow. Okay, bye-bye.
Siguro yan ay sabay sabay lakaw. Muang.
Maganda naman dito. Siguro yung mahirap. Malawak na dito. Maganda naman dito. Ngayon, nilada na natin. Ang kreasan. Maliwanag.
Guys, want to
So, saan tayo? Sabi namin natin.
bye. Thanks for watching.
Salamat. Simentado na dito.
Guys. Anyways, goodbye.
Thank you naman.